Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Wholesome. This is a channel where we discuss all things that teaches about money sustainability. I decided to do a DIY video, do it yourself video, to show you how I save money by waxing myself. Well, this will be the first time waxing myself, so please don't mind the mess, and to the professionals, please don't kill me. I'm only learning. You're probably wondering, how is this saving me money? Well, if you buy the equipment, it's much cheaper than going to a spa, because there you are paying for a lot of things. You're paying for labor, you're paying for using their products. So if you buy the equipment and do it yourself, it's much cheaper. I must say this, waxing is very painful, especially if you're doing it yourself. But I just wanted to learn a new skill and save money while doing it. So yeah, you must be wondering, why do I have so much hair? Well, I think I haven't waxed for like 3 months. Yeah, so that's why I have a bush. I tried to be professional, but gloves off. This thing was just too hard. So you know what the funny part is? Can you see in the video it looks like I'm talking to someone? I was actually alone talking to myself, laughing at myself, feeling the pain. It actually looks like I was talking to someone, but really, if you could listen to the things that I was saying. But yeah, it was fun but painful, but at the end, it was worth it. Please do enjoy watching my pain. Don't forget to subscribe and join the All Things Wholesome family. And just comment down below if you'd like me to continue doing these kind of videos where I show you how I save money. Well, I must admit, I do enjoy doing this kind of videos where I'm actually doing something and not just sitting and talking. So it is actually fun to just do something. Okay, let me not interrupt you. Always remember that I love you. Have a lovely, productive day. Bye.